Well, here we're looking at AMD. We did see prices starting to weaken up a little bit. We decided to sell this based upon, just the fact it really hasn't been trading very well here, and it does look like we may see a little bit of a pullback. In addition to that, we're going to be kind of employing a little bit of a different strategy here. We've been, working with stocks that are undervalued. Sometimes that's a lot cheaper. Sometimes people call them penny stocks. Some people call them junk stocks. You know, I understand all aspects of it. They're cheap because they have issues. There you don't, but you also don't get the kind of returns that we've been getting on a lot of our issues without some risk associated with that. So far, we've been up about 850%. Even if we were to take losses right here, regardless of where we are, we're still in a very good position overall. And that's really the nature of the game. I mean, to me, I always felt that as long as I can minimize that downside, I think that was manageable, and I thought it made sense. Also, if I saw a stock that I thought would go up, I didn't want to just keep it to myself here. I thought a lot of times you're seeing stocks that are running out of favor and they start to get recovered. And a lot of the mutual funds look for these kind of issues too that are trying to come back a little bit. But regardless of that, everybody has their standards. I'm not a fundamental analysis. I have done it. I've done a lot of it in the past. I don't do that as the main thing here. I'm more technically inclined, and I think that served me well. Here I'm going to, but I'm flatting out AMD. I think AMD's got a lot of potential, though. It's been really beaten up over the years. You could see it's really had a very tough time of it, but it's really dropped almost double from where it was in a short amount of time in September of 2014. That's why I felt it would made sense that we'd see some kind of decent recovery. We were starting to see that, and I just think, this is one that may take a little longer. And based upon some of our new strategy, a little higher price stocks with less speed of return. I mean, you're looking to get some kind of return, but you're just looking for action, a little bit of action on them, as opposed to high percentage gains on the short term. So as long as everybody's, confident with that and okay with that, I'm all right with that also. So we're going to kind of change things up a little bit, and that's what we're doing with AMD. We're exiting out on that.